Everyone, today we take a video about the testing before package. So you see, this is the CNC router machine for cutting the PVC or acrylic or wood, ACP, aluminum, or you can using this machine for cutting and engraving. The power of the spindle is 3.5 kilowatt. And it is air cooling. And the working size of this machine is 1.3 by 2.5. And this machine we use the Hybrid Servo, Hybrid Servo for this machine. And this is the oil pump. This is the controller cabin, and you can see we are using the laptop with the English language software. This machine by Diamond.